Prepare your two pieces together. Attach your yarn to your tapestry needle. As you can see, I've already completed a few stitches here. On the next piece, find the V shape and insert your tapestry needle from the inside and pull outwards. So basically, you'll be continuing this process on each stitch. On the next piece, find the next V shape and insert from the inside and pull outwards. Repeat this step on the next piece from the inside out, like so. Pull your stitches often in order to get a tight stitch. So basically this is how it looks like from the wrong side, and this is how it looked like from the right side.